Okay, the 13th career cluster is manufacturing. People who work in this area use technical skills to design and make products for people and other businesses. Some job examples are a machine operator, quality control manager, packer, stocker, and maintenance technician. I probably could use this as an example for every career cluster, but this is really another one that touches all of our lives, because in order to have anything like your computer, your phone, a cup to drink out of, pans to cook in, a car to drive, think of all those things that need to be manufactured that are in our daily lives, a chair to sit in, a bed to sleep in, all of those things are manufactured, and down to little consumable things like tissues or napkins, things like that. Those are all manufactured. So lots of occupations there to make sure people have the things that they need every day.